some nice looking hay. That is beautiful. It doesn't look terrible. It still is pretty far down into the ground. It's nice and green still, which is great. Alright, so I have to put a shock behind the wheel right there. Yeah, let's see, I gotta pull it forward. So this is kind of a pain in the butt to put in tow mode. Well, maybe it's not a pain in the butt. Oh, shit. Gosh dang it. See, there is a big giant chunk of wood that goes inside this baler that I left up there because I was rearranging all the things in here. Oh, I have no way to do this now. Alright, so I think we got it situated. The bales are going up. I'll put the GoPro up there as soon as Eric leaves. He's watching me like a hawk right now. So we'll have her full here in just a little bit. Everybody's parked down at the bottom of the field, waiting. So we've got a lot of Eric's family here to help out, and it should get done pretty quick. But they're just waiting on me. And I think we started at, I don't know, like 6:15. It's 6:30 right now, so I'll show you this right here. Here's a windrow. This is what it's called. It's called a windrow. Don't ask me where the name comes from, but it goes in baler and then up into the cart. I'll get some better fancy video of that in a little bit here, but I got to get these guys a cart, so.
Alright guys, so we're finally getting the hay off the field into the barn today. Yeah, I was thinking like 600 bales or so.
Wow. You're gonna keep them all?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Hi YouTube, this is Jamie. He's helping with hay today.
I'm standing here drinking beer and eating pizza.
Here we are.
This is Pa.
Out at Eric's farm.
Pa's helping with hay today.
Hey, your camera's growing hair.
James is helping with hay. That's for wind, so you don't get any wind noise.
Oh.
This is Ethan. Ethan's helping with hay today.
That's why I grow it in my ears, so I don't get wind noise.
There you go. That's a good, keep the dirt out too, right?
Yeah, I gotta keep my nose trimmed or else, you know, it comes flying out.
All right.
You gotta braid it. I was trying to get a picture of his tailpipe.
think maybe the knives are getting a little dull on this. They're supposed to be sharpened every year, and I forgot about that fact because Eric used to do that. It definitely has issues if I'm taking too much material and taking it too fast. So I'm just kind of trying to baby it right now, which I usually do. You have to keep looking back just to make sure that you got everything, that none of the knots are getting missed, and that everything's tying okay. If you start seeing double strings, you better stop. I had to stop a lot to get the knots cleared out of there because, like I said, it wasn't cutting and it wasn't releasing the knots. So we gotta feed this guy in real slow, like minus my mud spots. I did not hit that straight at all. Hopefully it'll be okay. Clearing off the field little by little. It's all like guys. Eric and Bob and Eric's friend Jamie and Pat, his dad, and Bob. There we go again. Went down the hill, taking too much material. It was going too fast. It's hard to control the speed going down the hill. I should be going up the hill, but I don't know. So what happens here, do you see this right here? That means the clutch slips. So we gotta open this up and yep, so there's the clutch. So there. That's all you gotta do. Better pop all this hay out quick. So if you got a basket and you've got loose hay, you know, because you're starting off knotting, turn that down, let it run until it knots, and then you just go and you pull the loose hay out the bars of the cart. It's easy enough. These are all knotting good. Good. So we just pull this out through here. Easier with two hands. Easier with two hands than one hand. Camera. Gosh. So this is the basket switch. It's tricky because you have to have level ground. Yeah, you need your pry bar to get it up.
Well,
forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll tell you what, 2,000 likes on this video and I'll do a tractor washing video. Maybe I'll even wash the tractor in a bikini.
Watch Suzanne go through all of this footage, just listen to our stupid conversations.
That's the best part, probably. No, she didn't know she was gonna get that until these guys are stupid.
Yeah.
We were just saying no, maybe it was just the time or the situation, but nope, they proved it. Then when we get older and show our grandkids, nope, the whole family's been stupid that long.
Stupid is, stupid does.
Hey, I resemble those remarks.